Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm sharing some of my basic but go-to daily lip combos that I love wearing as a pigmented lip girly. But don't worry, if you have non-pigmented lips, these combos will still look just as good on you obviously. So what I like to do before applying any lip combo is stain my lips so that some of the colors that are very pale doesn't look neon or highlighted on me. So I usually use any lip stain, but my current favorite is Mars Lip Drip Mist in the shade Cocoa Drip. So I just apply it all over my lips and I wait for it to stain my lips, and then I just wipe off the gloss because I don't like this gloss, like the weird glossy finish it gives. I don't like it because for me it should be या तो टोटल मैट और या फिर बहुत लाइक ग्लॉसी, बीच वाला मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. So for the first lip combo I'm going to use this duo lipstick from Pinkflash and this liner from Mars in the shade Cinnamon Roll. It is a very perfect kind of brown for medium skin tone. Like I used to struggle a lot with finding the right brown lip liner for me. Sometimes they would be too dark or sometimes they would be way too light, but this one is just perfect. Then I'm just going to fill in my lips with the Pinkflash dual lipstick in the shade VO1. Don't worry, I will link everything in the description box, so make sure to check it out. One side of this lipstick has a velvet finish and the other is matte, and honestly I love both. They are very comfortable and very lightweight on the lips. So this lip combo is a nudish brown and it looks so pretty, very neutral and perfect for everyday wear. It is not too vibrant or overwhelming, just super comfortable and totally my go-to kind of shade. For the next lip combo, I'm going to use this Peripera's Water Bear Lip Tint. I forgot the shade name because I have too many shades in the same range. So I will just link everything below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stain my lips with this lip combo first. I will apply it all over my lips and then I will let it stain, and then I will just wipe it off because I don't like the gloss again. And then I'm going to just line my lips with the same lip liner that I used, Mars Cinnamon Roll. I like to hide my cupid's bow because I like round lips. Then after that I'm going to again apply the same tint. Then I'm gonna do same again. I will just wipe off the gloss and then I will top it off with Mars Candylicious Caramel Crunch Lip Gloss. It is a very pretty nudish shade. I absolutely love it. Even when I wear it on its own, like without any lip combo, it still looks so good. I wear this lip combo when I want to like wear something different like pink something, because I don't usually think pink suits me, but this lip combo actually works because I make it more warm toned. I also don't like pink because I haven't found any warm toned pink, mainly because I usually shop online and I don't like to go to stores and explore. That's why most of the time I end up with wrong shades. Now for the next lip combo, I'm going to use this lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Cherry Brown. It is a very pretty reddish brown kind of shade and it is honestly the kind of red that I love to wear. It has a warm undertone, so I think it'll suit all my warm tone girlies out there, and it is such a pretty shade and I actually prefer wearing it just like this as a lipstick on its own. Like, look at this, how pretty this shade is. I love wearing this shade. Instantly brightens up my face and gives the illusion of a glow. Just a perfect kind of red for warm toned skin, and it actually shows up on pigmented lips as well. Okay, for the next lip combo, I'm using the same lip liner in the shade Cinnamon Roll. I honestly use this for most of my lip combos ever since I discovered it. It's just that good. Then I'm pairing it with the Cherry Cola lip gloss from Mars. I used to hate this gloss, to be honest, because I hadn't found the right brown liner at the time. I was using Swiss Beauty's Dark Chocolate, which was way too dark for me and didn't really suit my lips with this lip gloss. But now that I have found the perfect liner, this lip combo actually looks so good and I'm obsessed with this. I'm not a big fan of too much red from the Cherry Cola gloss, so I just apply a very thin layer, like just one layer of this gloss. I feel like bold red like reddish brown from this cherry cola doesn't really suit me that well, so that's why I apply very thin layer so it suits me. So the next lip combo is a proper nude for me. I'm using the dark chocolate lip liner from the Swiss Beauty, the one I mentioned earlier that's way too dark. So I apply it very lightly just to outline my lips. Apply it very light-handedly because it is too pigmented, and I just keep blending it so that it doesn't leave any harsh lines. Then I'm going to fill them in with the Gege Bear Lip Mud in the shade 02. I actually used to hate this shade because it looked super neon and way too bright on me. Like अच्छा वाला bright nahi, it used to look very radioactive kind of. But now that I pair it with this lip liner, it turns into the prettiest nude on my lips. I'm definitely going to restock it because I've almost finished it all. Yes, it is that good. Like I'm thinking of purchasing Gege Bear के lip muds और because मुझे वो अच्छे लगे, to be honest. They're really good, they're really affordable and I'm in just love with moussey and muddy textures. So वैसे तो मेरे पास अभी बहुत सारे Gege Bear के products पड़े हैं जो कि I'm not using because they're way too light, like ऐसे ही neonish kind of लगते हैं मुझ पे, but I'm just gonna experiment with them also. Maybe कुछ अच्छा lip combo से भी बन जाएगा. Okay, now for the next lip combo, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty's Choco Nude lip liner. Like look at the shade, how pretty the shade is. Now this lip combo is super nude, like very nude, but in such a pretty way. Like it has a brown undertone to it. It's a really simple combo, but trust me, every time I wear it, people actually ask me what I have on my lips. It's just that pretty. मैंने शायद पहले भी बताया था ये. So yeah, this is my favorite and go-to lip combo when I want something very subtle, very nude. I don't know why on screen it looks a bit dark, but it is lighter than what it looks on screen. Like it is one shade lighter than what it looks on screen, and it is really good for pigmented lips and medium tone girlies and also fair skin tone girlies. I really want you all to try this. Like it is very affordable also one more thing, this Peripera's water based tint is on the pricier side. It retails for around 900 or something, but I got it for 320 or something on the sale. But if you're looking for a more affordable option, the Mars Drip Lip Mist in the shade Rosewood or Mulberry works the same. So these were my daily go-to lip combos. I absolutely love them and keep repurchasing all the products I showed you. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do try these combos out and let me know how you like them. Don't forget to support my channel and I will see you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.